Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change the audio call mode in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line app on your phone. After you do that, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it and go to Settings. On the top right hand corner, there is the gear icon. This is the settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Scroll all the way down and find calls. So under general settings, there is call settings. Go ahead and tap on call settings and you can scroll all the way down and find advanced call setting. Then what you need to do is click on audio call mode. So there are two modes, communication and normal. So you can use communication mode for the optimized call experience, and you can switch to normal mode for lesser data consumption. So you can go ahead and tap on this and you can see there are two modes, normal and communication mode. The preference is to set it on communication mode because the audio call will be better. So guys, I hope this video about how you can change the audio call mode in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.